Guys, foldable phones in 2026 are about to change completely, but which ones are actually worth waiting for? Today, we're verifying the top 3 upcoming based on the most trusted leaks and reports. Let's start with the biggest one, the iPhone Fold. This is Apple's first foldable, and according to multiple reports, it could feature a 7.8-inch inner display with a nearly crease-free design, something no other foldable has fully achieved yet. The device is expected to run on the A20 chip with strong performance and iPad-style multitasking. Battery leaks suggest a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which would be the largest ever in an iPhone. However, there's a catch: production challenges could delay the launch too late, 2026 or even 2027. So while this could be the most advanced foldable, it's also the most uncertain. Next up is the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung's next flagship foldable. Reports suggest it will focus on refining the foldable experience with a near crease-free display, 5,000 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. Samsung is also expected to improve durability and multitasking. Continuing its lead in foldable software, the device is likely to launch around July 2026, ahead of Apple. While it may not be revolutionary, it's expected to be the most reliable and polished foldable on the market. Now, the most interesting one, the Galaxy Z Fold 8Y. This is Samsung's completely new foldable concept, designed to compete directly with Apple. Reports reveal a wider 4:3 tablet-style display, making it much better for multitasking and media consumption. It could also include new display technology to reduce the crease by around 20%, along with a powerful flagship chip and improved hinge design. This device shows Samsung is experimenting with new form factors, not just improving old ones. Now here's the bigger picture, why 2026 is so important. For the first time, Apple is entering the foldable market, forcing Samsung to innovate faster than ever. That's why we're seeing not just upgrades, but completely new designs, like the wide fold, and a major focus on solving issues like display creases, durability, and battery life. Tell us your opinion, guys. Subscribe the Upgrade Zone for next real updates.